Well, hello and welcome back to the Real World Garage. Today I would like to introduce my first sponsored video. Super Clean reached out to me about a week ago and asked me if I would be interested in trying their product. And they offered me a sample box of their product, her t-shirt, and my hat. That is the exact extent of our compensation. They asked us to do a video and give them a review of their product. So, big shout out and thank you to Super Clean for giving me this opportunity, and we're going to get into it. Alright, anybody who has watched my channel for any time at all knows that I work on a myriad of things. I work on anything from new modern vehicles from the 2015 RAV4, which I've done several videos on here, and I also work on the old stuff. So, 64 Mercury Comet, my son's new to him 89 or 88, or maybe even older than that, S10 that we just got running. I have my Camry series of videos that you have seen, and I did a video on this little car most recently. This is the 1997 Toyota Camry, and it's time to do a little maintenance. So, before we get under here and start doing all of our maintenance, I thought, since this came at such a good time with this Super Clean product, that we would try it out on this car and see how well it cleans. We have two different degreasers. We have the aerosol foam spray, which is, like I said, comes in a spray can, and we have the traditional hand pump. So, we were going to apply it under this engine compartment, and over half, we're going to try to go half on one side and half on the other, and then we'll spray it off with water and we'll see how it looks, and we'll give you our assessment of it. Alright, well, we're going to take a quick scan and let you see what it looks like prior to us doing any kind of cleaning underneath the hood here. This car has probably, and to my knowledge, has never been cleaned. It has always been garage kept. It was a one-owner vehicle and has approximately 168,000, 170,000 miles. So what dirt you see here is an accumulation of all of that mileage. So, I have my assistant.
That would be me.
That would be Lucy. And she is going to spray the product onto the vehicle. We have a little wind today, and we're careful. You can make sure you don't get it in your eyes. Go ahead and coat everything thoroughly. There you go. I'm going to spray it all down. Go ahead and spray up here. There you go. And we're going to do our best to keep it off the paint. Everything needs to be covered evenly. Go straight across the valve cover. There you go. Spray the firewall evenly. Alright, across the top of this. There you go. Hold the can up straight. Alright. Make sure everything coated.
I believe so.
Come across to here. Alright, now we're going to switch and we're going to get the other degreaser. Does it have we have the spray bottle. Does it have an on and off?
It does, in fact.
Does it have stream or does it have spray?
Nope, just on and off.
Just on and off. Okay, alright. Well, you know about where you started?
It does have stream and spray. I was wrong.
Alright, she does have stream and spray. She was wrong. Fine. Go to spray and start at the back and spray and work your way all the way this way, coating everything. Try not to get where you've already been with the other. Yeah, make sure you coat everything down thoroughly. One of the precautions that it says is to make sure you keep it off painted surfaces. Not particularly worried about the painted surface underneath the hood. I'd rather it be clean, and but keeping it off of your finished painted surfaces on the outside of the vehicle, they said it could discolor the paint. and to be cautious with that. So
Which would not be fun.
So now that we have it all soaked down, we're gonna keep an eye on it because it says to not let it dry, and then we'll come back and begin to rinse it off. Alrighty, it has been approximately 5 minutes. We have allowed it to sit, and we are going to give it a rinse. One of the first things I noticed when I started putting this cleaner on, as soon as it hit the surface, it began running grease and grime off. So hit it. Well, all I can say is color me impressed. Let's take a look. This is one treatment and one soaking with the foam spray, and then on this side we used what came out of the pump spray bottle. And I, to be honest, cannot tell a difference between the two. They both came equally as clean. It's still wet and dripping off, but my daughter asked me, did I think I was going to have to do it twice because she couldn't, my mouth was hanging open as I was looking at this. This is as clean as new, nearly. Okay, anywhere this product is touched has taken off every bit of grease, gunk, and grime. It's gone. I didn't touch it. I didn't use a pressure washer. I used the spray nozzle from my home hose. All right, does Super Clean Degreaser and Engine Cleaner work? Yes, it does, and works well. It also said on their can that it will work on barbecue grills, concrete, brakes. Do you remember what else it said?
I think it said tools as well.
Tools, and anything that's greasy or grimy with a hard, non-porous surface will probably come clean. And apparently some porous ones too, because it said concrete. Now, as I've said before, if any of you have watched my channel for any time at all, there's one thing I will be with you, and that is honest. And this product works. If it didn't, I would give you the drawbacks and the problems I saw with it. Read the safety instructions on the use of this product. This was not a use tutorial. This was just to show you that it does work. One of the other features that I saw on this bottle, and I think it's wise to mention for my eco-friendly daughter here, is she was impressed and happy to see that it said that it was made from biodegradable products. So, how does that make you feel?
It's really impressive to see how well it cleans, because a lot of biodegradable detergents and cleaners don't work as well as the synthetics.
So, there you go. Thanks for watching the Real World Garage. Now it's time for us to get to work on this car, well, at least in the next few days. And I won't be up to my armpits in grease doing it. So, in the meantime, till my next video comes out, why don't you go watch another one coming on the channel right now.